Americans adore trucks, so it stands to reason that all automakers, including Toyota, are introducing exciting new pickups to the market. The new Toyota Tundra 2023 is a daring and thrilling truck that is packed with tremendous capability and superior interior upgrades. It's no secret that the Ram 1500 has a shady reputation for dependability. Furthermore, the Toyota Tundra has a good reputation for durability. But the truck market is strange these days, and things are changing. Is the 2023 Ram 1500 more reliable than the 2023 Toyota Tundra? Let's find out in today's episode. One of the most well-liked vehicle types in America is the half-ton pickup truck, and the Toyota Tundra and Ram 1500 are two models that are always advancing the market with new capabilities and amenities. The performance and efficiency of these two well-liked trucks will be upgraded for the 2023 model year. Likewise, there will be more standard features and new style packages that will give them an ultra-modern appearance and feel. Let's compare the key features of the 2023 Toyota Tundra and Ram 1500 to see which delivers the level of durability and entertainment that best suits your busy lifestyle. Highlights of the 2023 Toyota Tundra comparison. The 2023 Tundra is continuing to shake up the truck market with its two new twin-turbo V6 powertrains, one of which is a powerful hybrid system, just after undergoing a complete third-generation facelift. Additionally, a new SX package that offers affordable bespoke styling is introduced for the 2017 model year. Dark grey metallic 18-inch wheels, body color trim, minimal badging, and black interior accents can be found on SX trucks. However, everyone is most thrilled about the Tundra's standard I-Force 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. Any truck usage scenario will benefit greatly from its power and efficiency, which together produce 389 horsepower and 479 pound-foot of torque. Furthermore, the I-Force Max Hybrid powertrain, which is an option, generates a staggering 583 pound-foot of torque at just 2,400 RPM and 437 horsepower when you require extreme capabilities. A dedicated clutch-operated motor generator and nickel-metal hydride battery supply the I-Force Max with extra power, with the nickel-metal hydride battery actually performing the majority of the work at lower vehicle speeds. The Tundra may achieve up to an EPA estimated 20 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway thanks to this dynamic operation and direct integration into the transmission. Other features of the 2023 Tundra, such as a high-strength steel chassis, wider frame crossmembers, and a new multi-link rear suspension, work in tandem with the I-Force powerhouses to give superior handling dynamics and up to 12,000 pounds of towing and 1,940 pounds of maximum payload. These figures surpass what the Tundra of the previous generation could manage by 17.6% and 11%, respectively. Even further improvements, such as multi-terrain select drive modes, crawl control, and downhill assist control, are included in the Tundra TRD models and those with the TRD off-road package. With the help of these cutting-edge innovations, along with an electronically locking rear differential, Fox internal bypass shocks, a front stabilizer bar, an aluminum front skid plate, and all-terrain Falcon tires, serious off-road exploration is made possible. Also, Tundra has a rear air suspension system with automatic and manual leveling for the first truck ever, which improves stability and effectiveness for big workloads. This kind of equilibrium and confidence can also be seen as a component of Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, a collection of cutting-edge preventative and awareness measures that come standard on every Tundra model. Pre-collision technology with pedestrian recognition, dynamic radar cruise control with full speed range, lane departure alert with steering aid, and many more helpful features are all part of the TSS 2.5 system. Highlights of the 2023 Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 is available with gasoline V6 and V8 engines that match with an easy-to-shift 8-speed automatic transmission. Although the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 is also offered without the electric backing, both engines are supported by a 48-volt hybrid system. Although Ram plans to discontinue making this engine in January 2023, a diesel is also offered till 2023. The 1500 Tradesman, Bighorn, Lone Star, Laramie, Limited Longhorn, and Limited trims have the 260 horsepower diesel V6 engine as an option right now. The rugged Rebel model offers beefier appearance and true off-road prowess for those who like to explore. Every Ram 1500 features an outstanding ride thanks to a rear suspension that, in contrast to the conventional leaf spring configuration found on domestic rivals, uses basic coil springs or optional air springs. Even models with adjustable ride height are available, which improves off-road performance and fuel efficiency. The Ram 1500 has a payload capacity of up to 2,320 pounds and a towing capacity of up to 12,750 pounds. Except for the Ford F-150, which presently tops 13,000 pounds, it can haul more than all other vehicles combined. The Rebel model of Rams and other crew cab body styles cannot tow as much as extended cab models. However, the more accommodating 1500 crew cab can haul more than 11,500 pounds. The Ram 1500 series offers various fuel economy levels thanks to its hybridized V6 and V8 engines as well as a diesel alternative. According to the EPA, the Ram with the best fuel economy is the rear-drive diesel, which achieves a combined fuel economy rating of 26 miles per gallon. The combined maximum fuel economy for the gas V6 and V8 is 23 and 20, respectively. The Ram 1500's interior features enormous passenger capacity and cubby storage that is incredibly functional. And now let's compare. According to the updated Toyota Tundra specifications, the 2023 Ram 1500 cannot match the Toyota Tundra's highway fuel efficiency. Given that the 2023 Toyota Tundra Hybrid is currently on the market, it is clear that the Tundra offers superior gas mileage compared to the other model. The Toyota Tundra is a wonderful option for drivers because Toyota has a long history of producing alternative fuel cars and is renowned for the dependability of its engines. Trust the Tundra when you're in it for the long haul. A well-known automaker with a reputation for dependability is Toyota. Drivers turn to Toyota trucks as a dependable and hard-working option from Texas and other parts of the world. The 2023 Tundra is a strong truck that is designed to withstand almost any situation, including the sweltering summers that Houston drivers must endure. With a PP100 score of 168, the lower the number, the better, Toyota is now ranked as one of the top 10 most reliable vehicle manufacturers by J.D. Power, an organization that conducts industry research on the dependability of automakers. In this study, the Tundra was rated as one of the top 3 large light-duty pickup trucks for dependability. With a PP100 score of 189, the Ram brand scored a little lower than the industry average of 186, placing it closer to the bottom of the list. By way of comparison, the company with the best rating came in at number 133. This is compelling evidence that the 2023 Toyota Tundra is a dependable pickup truck. When it comes to safety technology, Toyota is a fantastic innovator. Cameras and other technologies are used in the new Toyota Tundra trucks to improve safety and give the driver better perception. Toyota offers a panoramic view monitor, a new technology that enables a 360-degree view around the truck from the center display. A driver who can see better can also better protect their occupants and those around them. Which truck is better? The 2023 Tundra or 2023 Ram 1500? Let us know in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.